Welcome to this video explaining Quishing, or QR code phishing. Quishing is a new and dangerous variant of a phishing attack that uses QR codes to steal your personal information. Quishing combines the QR code and the phishing attack to trick victims into visiting a malicious website, downloading malware, or giving up their login credentials. QR codes are everywhere: menus, parking meters, packages, and emails. Scanning them feels routine and safe, which is precisely why attackers use them. 94% of smartphones have built-in QR scanners, making attacks very easy. The trap starts with an attacker placing a fake QR sticker over a legitimate one, such as on a parking meter. This malicious QR code directs to an evil payment domain. When the victim scans the malicious QR code, their phone displays a link to the attacker's fake domain, which includes a login request and a parking meter reference. The victim is redirected to a fake payment portal that looks legitimate. It is hosted on the attacker's server and captures every detail the victim types, stealing their financial and personal information. Once the victim enters their payment information, the data is immediately stolen and sent to the attacker. This can include card number, CVV, expiration date, PIN, email, and password. Quishing works because QR codes are invisible to most email filters. Also, scanning QR codes feels like a trusted, routine behavior. Finally, on mobile, important URL details are often hidden. Common Quishing variants include fake parking meter stickers stealing card data, deceptive emails asking for verification, tampered restaurant menus installing malware, and fake package delivery notices demanding a scan to confirm delivery. Email Quishing is a fast-growing variant, bypassing corporate filters. Look for red flags such as urgent deadlines, spoofed sender domains, a QR code instead of a link, requests to leave your computer, or generic greetings. Defense 1 is to inspect the URL. Most phone cameras preview the URL. Read it carefully before tapping. Look for typos and weird domains. Avoid bad examples like paypa1-secure.com and stick to known good domains like paypal.com. Defense 2 is simple. Do not scan unknown QR codes. Be suspicious if the QR code is a sticker, is in an unexpected email, promises a prize, or asks you to install an app or profile. Defense 3 involves using multi-factor authentication, or MFA. Even if your password is stolen, the attacker can't log in. Also, type familiar URLs yourself instead of scanning a QR code, or use the official app. To protect yourself, inspect the URL preview, verify the QR source, and protect accounts with MFA. If a QR code shows up uninvited, assume it's a trap and do not scan it.